After all, we have charts. So in order to explain that, first I need to come to File, click Open, and open one document that I have over here. I have prepared, which is and contains a sample data that I am going to use to create my chart over here. So here I zoom in a little bit. As you see, we have all this data, which are about regions, products, months, and the sales of those products in those specific months in those specific regions. So I want to convert this data into a chart. In order to do that, first I need to select. So I make a selection of this entire table that I have over here. I specify the areas that I want to use the data from in order to make my chart. So I make a copy of it and bring it to my actual project. I create a new spreadsheet and I rename it to charts. And then I paste the data over here by pressing Ctrl V. And I make a selection and come to Insert. And here, inside the Charts section, we can add our charts over here, choosing the very specific kind of chart that we are seeking ourselves throughout these options that we have. So these drop downs are all about different parts and kinds of charts that we may have over here. And as you can see, we can choose any of them for any kind of specific showcasing purposes. And as easy as that, we can add charts to our project. So the video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.